So then, listen to this, it's hilarious. The chicken crossed the road.
That's the best joke you've got. That's pathetic. You're such a droid. I've got more funny in 1 gigabyte than you've got in your whole system.
You really wanna go there, iPhone? Droids are so much better than iWaitverse. I mean, come on. We have a little robot for our mascot, and what does Apple have? A half-eaten apple.
That's because our customers eat up our newest products, which is more than somebody can say. Hint.
Blah, blah blah. Droid is better, end of conversation.
Is the poor little droid scared? Do you need to go home and cry to your database?
Don't you bring her into this.
I'll do whatever I want to do. It's a free internet. Is it hot in here? Or is it just me?
Oh. Is somebody running out of battery? I'm sorry, but this device has run out of memory. Please buy a new one.
Oh, I need to go charge. This isn't over.